Hello student, Amit, Jai Hind and good morning to class 11th student. Today we are going to see the second part of our lesson, The Adventure, class 11 English, lesson name The Adventure, part 2. First and second. This is a two-part summary. I will explain to you. This chapter is very big and it is confusing for students because in this there are science fiction, physics syllabus has been put and historian is also history. So it is a collision of two chapters. So students are little bit confused, but I will explain to you in a very simple. So firstly, today's date we will put lesson name The Adventure. The adventure means there are certain ups and downs in the story. So what you have to remember? You have to remember in this unit, Professor Gangadhar Gaikonde. This is a professor of historian. He is going to going to give a speech, and the car collapsed. Collision means a car crash accident. It is clear in the first part. Professor Gangadhar Gaikonde is a professor going to deliver a speech, going to give a speech in a seminar, and in a road, a truck and car collapsed. So Gangadhar got very much accidental, hospitalized, and went into a coma for 2 days. This is remember first, very clear, very simple. It is given in the line. Then second, when he was in a coma, Battle of Panipat. In this, the main criteria is real world, and parallel. It is not a parallel lines that you have studied in physics. It is a parallel world. Means two things are going in the mind of a Professor Gaikonde. Now there is certain Azad Maidan, here he get the creations. So there are 4 to 5 segments that you have to remember. Here are some word meanings collection for you. I have given you, you have understood it. It will help you to remember the story. It is a very two-way traffic. First, collision or crash accident happened to a Gaikonde where he is going to deliver a speech. Then astute, very clever. Behavior, the way you act, the professor is behaving a different way. He is 2 days in a coma. He is going to upper world, their battle of Panipat. He has remembered that the Afghans has defeated the Afghans. The battle of Panipat is given. Then the king has died. This is a complete, but on the other hand, it is a opposite reaction has been found. So it is a one part story. It is given a segment wise. Now, Mughals, that is Afghans, is fighting. So this is also one important topic that we will see today. Then relegated, put somebody to lower levels, relegated way. Concern to effect, doctored a person who is trained. So these are some ways. Now let us see the segment wise story. We will join it. Open page number 60. In the first segment, there is different topics. The Jijamati Express sped along the Pune-Bombay route. Considered faster than a Deccan Queen, there was no industrial township outside Pune. The first stop, Lonavala, came in 40 minutes. The Ghat section that follows was no different from what is new to train stops at Kargil. So in the first paragraph, it is all given about Bombay areas, Pune-Bombay highways routing. So it is different. There is where the British Raj begins. You are going for a first time. I presume. Khan Sahib asked. Yes, the reply was actually correct. Gangadhar Pant. See here. Gangadhar Pant Gaikonde. This is a special character in this story. all this profession. So you have got a question, who is Gangadhar Gaitonde? So you will write he is a professor. See, perhaps as he was many shocks, Professor Gaitonde has not expected this. The East India Company, means the historian is also put when he is in coma in 1857. At least there is a what history book says. Page number 61 in the last paragraph. It is given that buildings, British department. It is also a segment. Now, what is important to remember? See, page number 63. Astute. See here, astute, very clever. See this line. For political reasons, the Peshawar kept the puppet Mughal. Here the battle of Panipat is given. See, the Panipat battle has been fought between Mughal. See the line, I have searched it, 61. This page in the book describes the battle of Panipat, and it is mentioned that the Marathas won it handsomely. See, Marathas. Battle of Panipat, it is a clear information from historian. So it is another segment, Marathas. And Afghans, or we can say Mughals. Battle of Panipat is Afghans. See. So in this paragraph, it is a trimpet. Means it is said, this line shows that it is a third segment. It will take readings of you. Yesterday I have told you, read this lesson, it is very complicating. So the lines, the 20th century brought again change inspired in the West. India moved towards a democracy. By then the Peshwas has lost their enterprises and they were gradually replaced by democracy elected bodies. The Sultanate at Delhi survived even this transition. Means all are going in a Gangadhar, Professor Gaitonde in the coma mind. So this is the third content. Now see how he will guide. When he was alright, he has became the doctorate. Meaning of doctorate, he has written a person who is trained. So Professor Gangadharan Gaitonde went to a library where he has researching the 5 books. So in the 5th book he find that there is a Azad Maidan where people are gathered, people are listening, a large crowd. So he find that people are not giving the importance. So he remembered that I was in coma in. So this story is real world and parallel world. So it is 4 to 5 stories merging together. That's why it is confusing. So in today first part only this much. Tomorrow we will see the last segment, that is conclusion part. So pay attention. This chapter is going to come in your unit test. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.